Welcome to our Kitchentale. Ngayon po, tayo ay mag-bake ng chocolate chiffon cake. For the dry ingredients, we need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of cocoa powder. Make sure po it's a good quality. 1 and 1/2 cups of white sugar, and then extra 1 cup of white sugar for the meringue. 2 teaspoons of coffee granules, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, then a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, and a teaspoon of cream of tartar para po sa meringue. For the wet ingredients naman po, we need 8 egg yolks and 8 egg whites, a teaspoon of vanilla, then we need 1 and 1/4 cups of oil. It's optional if you want olive oil or vegetable oil. Then lastly po, 1 and 1/2 cups of buttermilk. For frosting naman po, gagawa po tayo ng buttercream frosting. I use unsalted butter, 500 grams. I use 1 and 1/2 cups of icing sugar. Then 1/4 cup of fresh milk. Bago po natin gawin yung ating procedure, i-combine po muna natin yung mga ibang dried ingredients. Make sure po na sifted yung flour and cocoa powder para po iwas ng lumps. After mixing po, let's set aside. Ngayon po, gagawa tayo ng meringue. Sa paggawa po ng meringue, gagamit po tayo ng 8 pieces egg whites. We need to use a hand mixer po. Kailangan pabulain po muna ng bahagya ang egg whites bago po natin ilagay yung cream of tartar. And then, i-add na po natin yung 1 cup of sugar in 2 to 3 portion. Then, make sure po na high speed yung ating hand mixer. We will beat it or mix it for about 5 to 7 minutes. Hanggang makuha po natin yung peak ng ating meringue. Kailangan po na stiff talaga yung ating meringue para po ma-achieve natin yung chiffon bread. Kailangan talaga ng maximum or high speed because chiffon is more on air. As you can see po, talagang stiff po yung meringue natin. And then, let's set aside. Now, for the batter naman po, we need the 8 pieces egg yolks, Then, ilagay po natin yung 1 and 1/2 cup of sugar. Then, mix it hanggang maging color pale at creamy na po yung mixture. Ngayon po, let's add the oil, buttercream, and a teaspoon of vanilla. Then, beat it po for about 1 minute hanggang mag-mix lahat ng oil, butter, and vanilla. Then, pwede na po tayo mag-add ng cocoa powder in 3 portion. As you can see, it's powdery po talaga, so you beat it in a low speed. So, kailangan po natin talagang gumamit ng spatula to scrape yung mga excess sa side. Pag mix na po talaga, incorporated na yung mixture, now it's time to add the meringue. Make sure po na cut and fold lang ang pag-mix natin. Hindi po natin kailangang gumamit ng hand mixer. Then, continue po yung mixing hanggang mawala po yung puti-puti ng meringue. Now, pwede na po natin ilagay sa baking pan. So, it's better po kung may dalawa kayong 8x8 na baking pan para walang excess. Then, tap it twice para po mawala yung bubbles. I preheated na po yung oven natin to its gas range. So, prepare po yung 350 degree Fahrenheit. Then, baking time po is up to 50 to 1 hour. Or, depende po yun sa laki ng or size ng baking pan. So, the bigger the baking pan, it takes more than 1 hour. The smaller, maybe it's only 45 minutes or 50 minutes. Then, use a toothpick po to check. If the toothpick comes out clean, pwede na po yung cake. Okay, after an hour po, pwede na po yung cake. Then, I have to put it on the base while it's hot para po maiwasan ang pag-shrink totally ng cake dahil po umuurong ang chiffon cake kapag lumalamig ito. Habang pinapalamig po natin yung cake, gagawa na po tayo ng frosting. Make sure po na soften yung butter para hindi po siya mahirap i-mix. Then, beat it for maybe about 1 minute hanggang maging pale yung color niya. And then, you can add the icing sugar little by little or in 2 to 3 portion. Then, kailangan po natin gumamit ng fresh milk para po malusen yung stickiness or stiffness ng frosting. So, ilalagay lang po siya ng paunti-unti. Depende po sa thickness na gusto ninyo. So, dapat po malamig na po talaga yung cake bago po natin ilagay yung frosting. So, I cut the cake in a half slice and put the frosting at the middle. Ngayon po, ipa-frosting na po natin yung cake. Una po, mag-separate muna tayo ng frosting sa isang lalagyan. And then, let's cover the cake as a crumb coat para po hindi malagyan ng crumbs yung main frosting. And then, we will fridge it for about 5 to 10 minutes. Ayan po, pwede nang i-frost ang cake. No need to be perfect naman po yan. So, it's up to you how you handle your frosting. Then, I used some ganache chocolate and use a piping tip for the decoration. And lastly, the chocolate chips for the toppings. So that's how it is. Hope you learned something from it. And our cake is ready. Here's our finished product, chocolate chiffon cake. Thank you for watching. God bless.